Uh-oh, there are still more dinosaur letters to match. Let's find N. Big letter N. Where is little n? Oh, there it is. Big N, little n. Yellow dinosaur, yellow bowl. Look at all the colorful dinosaurs. What comes after N? Yes, O. Big O, little o. Green stegosaurus, green bowl. The bowls are getting full. What comes after O? Yes, P. Big P, little p. Yellow brontosaurus, yellow bowl. What comes after P? Yes, Q. Big Q, little q. Blue triceratops, blue bowl. Look how many dinosaurs we have now. Big letter R. Where is little r? Not this one. Oh, there it is. Big R, little r. Red stegosaurus, red bowl. What comes after R? Yes, S. Big S, little s. Green brontosaurus, green bowl. One more dinosaur. Big letter T. Where is little t? There it is. Big T, little t. Great matching! Red triceratops, red bowl. Look at all the colorful dinosaurs. We match all the uppercase and lowercase letters. That was fun! Let's do it again.